All right, VWO 5.1, Theory A, remarkable products. In Dutch, I already wrote it down for you, merkwaardig product. I think it's better if you write along and make notes. Then you don't have to look at these videos again. So simplifying, yeah, that's actually what you're gonna do during this chapter. So let's say you have to multiply out the brackets. So for example, this one. Yeah, you know this already. When you multiply the brackets out, you get A times B plus A times C. So how does that look like? That looks like, for example, 2 and then x plus 4. This is going to become 2x plus 8. Yeah, 2 times x, 2 times 4. Now, when you have this one, A plus B, C plus D, I always say, look, use the parrot model. A times C, A times D, plus B times C, plus the B times D. Yeah, this looks like a parrot, and that's what we get. So when we have numbers, let's come up with something. X minus 2. I'm doing this on purpose to show you with a negative number as well. X plus 6. X times X. That because here we get AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. You get then x squared. So x times x times positive 6 will be plus 6x. Negative 2 times x. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x minus 2x. And minus 2 times 6 will become negative 12. Yeah, you always get, within these, you always get 4 separate terms, and then you get x to the power of 2 plus 4x minus 12. Remember, you learn to go from this to that, and that is chapter 3. That's what you learned already, okay? But now we want to simplify, so we want to multiply out brackets. Then you also need to know that AB to the power of 2 means A to the power of 2, B to the power of 2. So for example, 4x to the power of 2 will become 4 to the power of 2 times x to the power of 2. 4 to the power of 2 becomes 16x to the power of 2. So these are 3 very important bullet points, all 3 with examples. Now, remarkable products are a usual way to multiply out brackets. This is also something you learned previous year. So you have three different ones. You got this one, you got this one, and you got the one with the negative. Now, let's start with this one. This one is the easiest one because what you get, A times A is A squared. It's based on this one. So A times A is A squared. Then A times negative B is negative AB. B times A becomes positive BA, which is AB. And then B times negative B is negative B to the power of 2. Then negative AB plus AB becomes 0. So we are left with A to the power of 2 minus B to the power of 2. Let's have a look at this one, the positive and negative side. When you write it out, you get this. This is actually what it means. Yeah, both of them we're going to, negative. We're going to do both of them. You multiply the brackets out. Pause the video, do this by yourself and see if you can do it. You get A to the power of 2 plus AB plus AB plus B to the power of 2. This one will become A to the power of 2 minus AB positive B to the power of 2 because it's negative times negative. Yeah, and then you, of course, continue. You get for this part A to the power of 2 plus 2AB plus B to the power of 2. This one, A to the power of 2 minus 2AB plus B to the power of 2. So remarkable products, you actually just got to remember that this becomes this. This becomes this. You're not going to do this anymore. Yeah, I'm going to show you in an example why and how. So let's look at the examples now. Turning the page around. It's a long theory, I know. When you have this one, 3x plus 5y to the power of 2. This is the A. This is the B. We know it's going to look like A squared because it's positive plus the b squared, and in here it's going to be plus 2 times the a times the b. That's how it's going to look like. Let's try it. If this is the a, we want a squared, we get 3x to the power of 2. 3x to the power of 2. Yeah, this is also what I explained previously. This will become 3 times 3, 9x to the power of 2. This is the b, so you get 5y to the power of 2. 5 times 5 will become 25y to the power of 2. In here, we get 2 times the a, which is 3x, times the b, which is 5y. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. And then xy behind it. Immediately, we did it in one step. We cannot simplify. This is the final answer. Yeah? Then, let's have a look. This is the first one. Let's have a look at the second one. 4x minus 7 to the power of 2 minus, so you know that, okay, we get something over here, then we get the negative over here and the positive here again. You know b to the power of 2 goes there. That is the negative 7, the 7, so it will become 49, sorry. This one will become 4x to the power of 2, which is 16x to the power of 2. And in between here, you get, one more time, 2 times the a, which is 4x, times the b, which is negative 7. Of course, negative, because then you see what we get over here. 8 times 7, what is 8 times 7? Negative 56x. And indeed, you get negative 56x. Now, the last one, 3a plus 5b times 3a minus 5b. You get then, remember, this part will become a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2. Yeah, that's something because you know the remarkable products. This is the a. You multiply it by itself, so you get 9a to the power of 2. And then this one you multiply by itself, sorry, you get 5b times negative 5b, negative 25b to the power of 2. And then you're finished. So use the remarkable products. It's going to save you a lot of time. Then the example, you can stop. If you understand it already, you can stop right now with the video and you can work on exercise 2, 3, and 4. But if you still have trouble, watch for a moment and then we will discuss a difficult one. Let's go to 3D. 3e minus f to the power of 2 minus f, opening bracket f minus 7e. Use the remarkable products, okay? This one times itself, 9e to the power of 2. You know it's negative, so it's going to be negative 2 times 3e times f. So 2 times 3e becomes 6, and then e times f. Yeah, negative, and then this one, negative times negative, becomes positive f to the power of 2. Multiplying this out, f times f becomes, yeah, negative f times f becomes negative f to the power of 2. Negative f times negative 7e becomes positive 7ef. Let's put them together, the likely terms. Look at the f squared minus the f squared. So this will become 0. 9e, this one stays because there's nothing else like that. This one, minus 6ef plus 7ef becomes plus 1ef. This is your final answer. To make it perfect, you can write it without the 1 in the front. So this is 3D.